In this question, you have to identify the category of the plant and its parts, the transverse section of which shows statement A, large number of scattered vascular bundles surrounded by bundle shape. Now, this is the characteristic of monocots, where vascular bundles are scattered throughout the stem. Statement 2, large conspicuous parenchymatous ground tissue. This also matches with the monocot anatomy, which has more prominent parenchyma in the ground tissue. Statement C, vascular bundles conjoined and closed. Now, in monocots, vascular bundles are generally conjoined, that is, having both xylem and phloem, and closed, that is, no cambium are present. Statement 4, phloem parenchyma absent. Now, this features also matches with monocots as they lack the phloem parenchyma. So, all these features indicate that the section is from a monocotyledonous stem. Hence, the correct answer is option C.